all the air inside my lungs, ripping all the skin from off my bones. I'm prepared to sacrifice my life, I would gladly do it twice. Consuming all the air inside my lungs, ripping all the skin from off my bones. I'm prepared to sacrifice my life, I would gladly do it.
Oh, what? Do you want an apology? Is that why you're pouting, big baby boo? We'll try this on! Look, I'll figure it out. I just need more time.
He thinks he has to lead alone. Well, because his father had to.
In your style, he is pleasure, boom, shake.